Did you know the secret in Animal Company? If you go into the virtual world and you go over up there where it shows a bunch of weird command log thingies and you climb
Yeah, it
it.
does.
This is gonna be a while. And you climb it.
No. They can hear me, right?
I don't know. Oh wait, yeah.
You're like, oh wait, yeah.
Oh. We can't climb it like this.
Yeah, I can. Look at me. It's just easy to slide. Oh, no! My controller hit my bed. No!
Anyway, and if you go down this hole, don't worry, it doesn't kill you.
But it,
And you grab onto this,
you die.
you can see a secret dev place. Now, getting up to the dev is honestly the challenge.
No, it's not. Look.
If you think this
Hey.
will hurt you, by the way, it won't.
I mean, I think they can see. Oh well.
And there's a computer, and it says deliver value. Jeez, said that so wrong. And it's
Ooh, it's good.
the thing with the dev working on it. So just remember, guys, he's always hard at working.